The Vogt Holiday RV Expo is right around the corner. What started out as an idea has grown into a one-of-a-kind holiday event. Our very first RV Expo is happening right here at the amazing Gaylord Texan, and you're invited. Join us for fun activities for the kids, family photos, raffles, local vendors, and holiday specials on RVs, all while giving back to charity through our charity corner to brighten the holiday for kids in need. So come join us at the amazing Gaylord Texan for the Vogt Holiday RV Expo.